Okay, let's check out X's and O's. See what that's about. Pretty short. That is awesome. Check to see if a string has the same amount of X's and O's. This method must return a Boolean and be case insensitive. Okay, so it doesn't care case insensitive. The string can contain any character. Okay. This is called X's and O's. So new project. I think I should commit this. Get status. Get add. Get commit. It's completed. Get no. Then we're gonna add this new one. X's and O's .js. Cool. So go ahead and train on this one. Copy the function and do some prep work. prep. So what is our inputs? Check to see if a string has the same amount. So it's going to be a string of characters, and we have to return a Boolean. Turn a Boolean. When do we turn a Boolean? If the string has same amount of X and O's. Case insensitive. I still spelled it wrong. Cool. So in examples, let's look at our examples that we got going on. So they give us OOXX. That's true because there's a the same amount of O's as X's. There's too many X's here, so that's false. Same amount of X's. This one's capitalized, case insensitive, so we gotta make sure we use our toLower method. This is true because there are no X's and no O's, so that's like an edge case that we will look at right away. What happens when there's no X's or O's? And this is false. Okay, so let's do some pseudocode. Like I said, right away, return if str. Well, we have to iterate through them all first. So I would set some variables. So let x equal 0, let o equal 0. So that's our initial variable count. And what we're going to do is iterate over this string, counting the X's and O's. That's pretty much what we're doing. Iterating over this string, counting the X's and O's. If this is an O, then we need to increase the count by 1. If this is an O, increase the count by 1. X, increase the count by 1. Increase the count by 1. And then we'll return X equal O, and that would tell us if we're even or not, well, not even, equal or not. So we can go ahead and code that. So let X and O equal 0. Then we would iterate over the string. So for let I equals 0, as long as I is less than tr.length, we're going to go ahead and do I++, and if str at this index is equal to X, then we will increase the counter of X++, else if the string I is equal to an O. If it's equal to an O, then O plus plus. Then at the end, we need to get out of this loop. At the end, we're going to return if X is equal to O or not. Not 0, O. And also, we need to go back to do if what was our edge case that I said? So there's something wrong here. I don't remember what I said though. X and O's, we're going over to X's, X and O's. Oh, one of the things is case insensitive, so to lowercase, so it's case insensitive, and okay, so let's run some test cases. So we will do X, O, and we'll do this string right here, and it should return false. Oh, that's the wrong file. Console.log. And we get false there. But if we do something like XXOO, we should get true. We're getting false. Why are we getting false? XXOO. Oh, wait. Let's see. Maybe something here. Let X equal 0. Let O equal 0. If string dot to lower is equal to X plus plus. Okay, so now we're getting true. So another X there, and that should be false. Yep. So we are looking pretty good. So let's go ahead and run this in our Codewars. Can get our comments out. We don't need those. Test that. We passed all of those tests, and go ahead and hit attempt. And we passed all of those tests, and that's it.